Hungry after lifting? That feeling isn't just in your head, it's your body's way of telling you it's time to refuel and recover. When you finish a tough workout, especially one that involves lifting weights or resistance training, your muscles are in a unique state. They've been pushed to their limits, tiny muscle fibers have been broken down, and now your body is primed to rebuild them, stronger and bigger than before. But to do that, you need to give your body the right fuel at the right time. So, what should you eat after a workout to maximize your gains and speed up recovery? Let's break it down step by step. Here's how to feed your muscles like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, post-workout nutrition is one of the most important and often overlooked parts of building muscle and getting stronger. Think of it as the secret weapon in your fitness arsenal. The right foods, eaten at the right time, can make a huge difference in how quickly you recover, how much muscle you build, and even how much energy you have for your next workout. So, let's dive into the science and the practical tips that will help you get the most out of every training session. First up, think of your muscles like sponges. After a workout, they're not just tired, they're actually primed and ready to soak up nutrients like never before. This is what fitness experts call the anabolic window, a period of time, usually within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout, when your muscles are especially receptive to the nutrients you eat. During this window, your body is working hard to repair the tiny tears in your muscle fibers caused by lifting weights. If you give your body the right building blocks, protein and carbohydrates, it can start the repair process right away, leading to faster recovery and more muscle growth. After you work out, your muscles are like dry sponges, ready to soak up whatever you give them. This is why what you eat right after your workout matters so much. If you skip your post-workout meal, or if you eat the wrong things, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to build muscle and recover faster. So don't just collapse on the couch or scroll through your phone. Head to the kitchen and get ready to refuel. The secret? Get protein and carbs on your plate fast. But not just any protein and carbs. The best post-workout meals are made up of high-quality, easily digestible foods that your body can use right away. Think lean meats like chicken or turkey, fish, eggs, or plant-based proteins like tofu or tempeh. For carbs, go for options like rice, potatoes, oats, or whole grain bread. These foods are packed with the nutrients your muscles need to recover and grow. And don't forget a serving of colorful vegetables for vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation and speed up recovery. Protein is your muscles' BFF. It helps rebuild and grow. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Protein provides the amino acids your body needs to repair those tears and build new, stronger muscle tissue. Aim for at least 20 to 40 grams of protein in your post-workout meal, depending on your body size and training intensity. This could be a grilled chicken breast, a scoop of protein powder in a shake, a couple of eggs, or a serving of Greek yogurt. The key is to get high-quality protein that your body can digest and use quickly. Grab a chicken sandwich, a protein shake, or even Greek yogurt. The options are endless, and you don't have to stick to boring meals. Try a turkey and avocado wrap, a smoothie with protein powder and fruit, or a bowl of cottage cheese with berries. The important thing is to get that protein in soon after your workout. If you're on the go, keep a protein bar or a ready-to-drink shake in your gym bag so you're never caught unprepared. But don't forget carbs. Carbohydrates are just as important as protein when it comes to post-workout recovery. When you exercise, your body uses up its stored energy, called glycogen. Eating carbs after your workout helps refill those energy stores so you're ready to crush your next session. Plus, carbs help shuttle protein into your muscles, making the recovery process even more effective. So don't be afraid of carbs. Embrace them as your workout ally. They refill your energy tank and help the protein do its job. Without enough carbs, your body might use protein for energy instead of muscle repair, which can slow down your progress. Choose healthy, whole food carbs like brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, or whole grain bread. These foods provide steady energy and important nutrients that support overall health and recovery. If you're in a hurry, a banana or a slice of toast can do the trick too. Rice, bananas, or whole grain toast, take your pick. The best post-workout meal is one you enjoy and can prepare quickly. Try mixing and matching different carb sources to keep things interesting. For example, pair grilled chicken with brown rice and steamed broccoli, or make a breakfast for dinner plate with scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and a side of fruit. The possibilities are endless, so get creative and find what works best for you. Aiming for a ratio? Go for about 2 parts carbs to 1 part protein within an hour of your workout. This means if you're eating 30 grams of protein, aim for about 60 grams of carbs. This ratio helps maximize muscle recovery and glycogen replenishment. If you're tracking your macros, use a food scale or a nutrition app to make sure you're hitting your targets. But don't stress too much about being perfect. Just aim for a balanced meal with both protein and carbs, and you'll be on the right track. No need for fancy supplements. Real food works just as well. While protein powders and recovery drinks can be convenient, you don't need them to see results. Whole foods like chicken, eggs, rice, potatoes, and fruit provide all the nutrients your body needs to recover and grow. Plus, they taste better and are often more satisfying than processed supplements. If you do use supplements, think of them as a backup plan, not your main source of nutrition. And yes, water counts. Hydration is a crucial part of recovery that many people overlook. When you exercise, you lose water through sweat, and even mild dehydration can slow down muscle recovery and make you feel tired or sluggish. Make it a habit to drink water before, during, and after your workout. If you're sweating a lot, consider adding a pinch of salt or an electrolyte tablet to your water to help replace lost minerals. Drink up and keep those muscles happy. Aim for at least 16 to 24 ounces of water after your workout, and more if you've been sweating heavily. Staying hydrated helps your body transport nutrients to your muscles, flush out waste products, and keep your joints lubricated. If plain water isn't your thing, try adding a slice of lemon or a splash of fruit juice for flavor. The key is to make hydration a regular part of your post-workout routine. Quick recap: protein repairs, carbs refuel, water recharges. It's a simple formula, but it works. By focusing on these 3 key elements, you'll give your body everything it needs to recover, grow, and get stronger with every workout. Remember, building muscle isn't just about what you do in the gym. It's also about how you recover and what you put on your plate afterward. It's like building muscle in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Eat enough protein to repair and grow your muscles. Step 2. Add healthy carbs to refill your energy stores and support recovery. Step 3. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and keep your body running smoothly. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you see results. More muscle, less soreness, and better performance in the gym. Now, smash that like button, fuel up, and turn your workout into real muscle. Remember, the work you do in the gym is only half the battle. The other half happens in the kitchen and during recovery. By making smart choices after your workout, you're setting yourself up for success, both now and in the future. So, don't skip your post-workout meal, and don't settle for less than your best. Your muscles are counting on you. Your future flex is thanking you. Every time you make the effort to eat well and recover properly, you're investing in a stronger, healthier, and more confident version of yourself. So, next time you finish a workout and feel that hunger kick in, remember these tips. Head to the kitchen and give your body the fuel it deserves. Your gains and your future self will thank you for it. Keep lifting, keep fueling, and keep growing.